This is the face of your ovary already. Kids started already, and it is only, see what time it is, and it is only 7:50. It is only 7:50. And they're already getting into things that they shouldn't be getting into. Just a mess. We don't have any applesauce right now. And there's no applesauce in there. You're not getting that one. You want to eat some cereal? Or nothing at all? You want to eat cereal? Okay. Go sit in your chair. Already. Like, it's not even... Put you on the camera. Like, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. It's not even time yet. And you're already acting like this. Cabinet being real disrespectful. Fine, whatever. Whatever. So we're about to get some cereal in our system. And I just cleaned up our room after we eat breakfast. Go upstairs and clean their room before I get in trouble from not having their room clean. So, yeah. When I come back, we're gonna have a real hot conversation. But let me get my kids together because they probably starving since they didn't eat yesterday. So, pray for me. It's only 8 o'clock. I mean, it's only 7:50. Like, we ain't even like fully get ourselves together yet. It's only 7:50. Pray. Pray for my sanity. Pray. Alright. While I lay upstairs. Give me a nibble of food real fast. Drinking this. This is so good. Just want to drink a little bit. And I hate this. This bag, y'all can't see. Hold on. This bag has a reusable zipper. Why is it that there's a slit right here? Like, come on, people. And then don't even fold it down. So that way it doesn't get all stale. You just fold it halfway. Like, but let me go help them clean up their room. I'm gonna give you a before shot. And I'm gonna give you an after shot. And then I'm gonna give you an after shot. Because I can't be the only one whose kids' room is filthy. There. Hey, put them beads back. So this
good morning.
Their room.
Good morning.
Not that bad, but so that way we don't get punished around here. And yeah, I wish I could show you them, but of course my kids like to be naked. So let me have them clean their room up, and so that way we can get on with our day. Let me open. So we're out the house, and I'm trying to think if what market I need to go to, because I'm gonna make crock pot barbecue chicken. I'm just trying to think. Oh my gosh. But I gotta go to the bank, and then I gotta go to the dollar store. I hate my nose rings. I gotta get some new ones. But go to the bank, go to the dollar store, and then go to the market. But I'm trying to figure out which market I'm gonna go to. So I have to figure that out. So I should have did it before, because as soon as they, as soon as I went downstairs to get something to eat, they was like, there was stuff all over the floor. So I didn't last long. But I have to call Ryan, because he had called me, and I'll call y'all. I'll call y'all. I'll talk to y'all when I finish talking to him. I don't know what happened there. Just cut off on me. My camera has been acting really, really crazy. But it was gonna be some corn, string beans. Ryan has his for some macaroni and cheese. So this is what I use. I use the cheddar jack, and then they have the mac and cheese blend, just with some milk, and then the recipe called for Italian dressing, so I got the store brand. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. First, it was Kraft. I was like, Kraft's overrated. Like, they be hyping it up and making it seem like it's more than what it really is, and it's really not. And then I tried Sweet Baby Grapes, and I was like, oh well, I just use something over. Then I said, you know, it's better than Kraft's, but you know, it's okay. It's not the bomb. Then, you know, because I like cooking shows or whatever, and I'm about to drop it, then I'd be real pissed. But I tried this. Make you want to smack your mama when you making something that requires barbecue sauce on it. I'm telling you, that one right there, that brand by Racquel is the bomb. So the recipe called for chicken breast, Italian dressing, and barbecue sauce, Worcestershire sauce. But I forgot it because I didn't bring my phone in when I was in the market. So I'm gonna just add some apple cider vinegar and call it a day. And so yeah, I'm about to clean the chicken and do everything, and then I'll come back around. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is what the chicken look like. Now the recipe just called for you to add salt, but I usually don't follow Pinterest because they be on some low sodium, low diabetes, no high blood pressure recipes or whatever. I like to season my foods, and I don't know what type of tasteless barbecue we was about to have or what that recipe was, but I add black pepper, seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and I always add parsley to everything. Always, because Auntie V said so. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't add it. I didn't like go crazy, but yeah, I wasn't. Pinch of salt. What? No. You add your seasonings, or you know, however you make barbecue chicken. But usually when I make barbecue chicken, that's what I do. So right now, I'm about to make Oh, let me get my phone. If I can get stuff. The sauce. And the sauce is the barbecue sauce, the Italian dressing, and this brown sugar. Let me get it. But like I said, I don't have Worcestershire sheer sauce, so I'm just going to add apple cider vinegar to it, which that's what I do for my barbecue sauce anyway. And it was only a little bit, so it was 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of Italian dressing, a tablespoon of this Worcestershire sheer sauce, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and one pinch of salt. Girl, go on with yourself. So yeah, I'm about to get the brown sugar and mix that one up, and then I'll come back with the final of how the chicken gonna look, and then I'll show y'all my macaroni and cheese and the stuff that I do with the vegetables. So I'll be alright. So the chicken looked like this. I didn't put a lot of apple cider vinegar, but you know, it was the Italian dressing, the barbecue sauce, and I didn't really measure it. I just poured to my liking. And I had my vegetables. This is the corn. The corn, I just did some water, some butter, Old Bay, and a little bit of sugar because it was the frozen corn rather than the fresh corn, which may be sweet, and the frozen corn may not be sweet. So I just put a little bit because we like sweet corn. And then for my string beans, it was just some water, some butter, and this. This is the bomb.com, and I haven't said that in a while, but that right there is the truth. I will not get nothing. Like when I make my vegetables, that's all I use for corn, broccoli, string beans. If I make cabbage, what else did I use that on? If I make zucchini or squash or something like that, I use that, and you can tell the difference when I don't use it because that's how good it is. So the chicken is supposed to be on for 3 to 4 hours. So I'm gonna put it on low at least for a good 2. And then if I have to turn it back up if it's not ready, at least by 4 or 5 o'clock. And I'm getting my water ready for the macaroni and cheese. But yes, just wanted to show y'all what I got going on here. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna take a chill pill after this. It's 12:45. The girls upstairs, they should be getting ready to snooze because they still watching TV. But yeah, get this. I'm telling y'all, get this. Y'all will not regret it. And when y'all start using it on your vegetables and y'all run out, you will know the difference. I'm trying to tell y'all something. I'm trying to put y'all on. But yeah, let me finish cooking because it's getting hot in her. And I ain't taking my clothes off for y'all, so. But yeah, it's getting hot in her. And I gotta finish cooking so I can finish doing laundry and stuff. That's why it's probably melting. I think the refrigerator's acting up again. Alright, y'all. Let me get off there because I'm gonna keep saying alright, y'all, alright, y'all, alright, y'all. So let me put this camera down now so that way I can get to my business. Okay?
6.5 hours later.
We sneak vlogging, y'all.
All in your mouth. How y'all doing out there? Are you an old mechanic or something?
I got chicken in my mouth. tell you already get on it.
You know, coaching track and all of that.
Montgomery's watch this.
So, he be alright. Nah, I ain't telling no lies.
You getting that wet.
Telling no lies. Oh. Don't be too black on this TV.
But we sneak vlogging, y'all, while the kids upstairs. And the ruler of the house is upstairs.
Oh, she home?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Gotta go upstairs.
Oh. I didn't know that. Sitting in the middle of the house. King and the queen. And the gesture.
Dinner was good. Y'all should really try that. Follow my Pinterest so you can get that recipe. That was good.
The recipe for what? You told them already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's not like they just tuned it into this.
I'm lost in the sauce. Too much sauce.
But it was good. Right now, waiting for food to die.
For real? That's a big ass jug.
He talking about this jug right here. That's my mom's boyfriend's jug. And he got like 5 of those. Tell me you ain't running to the bathroom every 2 seconds.
That's 24 hours, man. That's 24-hour bladder.
I'm waiting. The girls want ice cream, but we got cinnamon rolls in the refrigerator. So we're gonna make that. My food was good. Only thing I didn't season my macaroni and cheese to perfection. But that's because, you know. Ew. Where is that at?
It's down. It's the harbor.
That's the harbor?
Yeah, down. You eating them crabs? That's Fells Point. Can't.
Oh my gosh.
Nasty.
And people was diving in that. Remember them
They
tours?
was tourists, yeah. I'm sure they gotta change their heart once they hit. Why would you dive in something that's brown? I just don't understand how they plan on getting new water in it. I mean, that would have been nasty for like 30 years.
For years. You don't know what's sinking at that bottom.
There's dead bodies in there. I ain't never been downtown when that water was clean.
Never.
Never seen that water clean.
Anyway. But yeah, I ain't
Population control.
season my macaroni to my liking because, you know, critiques.
What?
Savannah poop on the stool. Come here.
Alright, hold on. I gotta get myself prepared for that.
Come on,
It's a team effort. It's me and
Hey, you
But
you
with
ain't
that,
gonna hit nobody. You ain't gonna hit nobody.
Come on.
I swear Chesby will be exaggerating.
Come on.
He just did there.
Alright. I'm gonna be up there.
You better get up there.
Team effort. I'm not dealing with that by myself.
She said daddy. And you know Chesby over exaggerating.
Yeah, that's what I'm not doing. Because she said she broke the picture. That picture was perfectly fine.
Where you better go and look. You don't want to get that.
I don't.
Tough for Tony.
Yeah, I got it. I ain't take that off.
She did. Go get her.
She pooped on the floor. Come on. In there. Don't give me no ending. Just sit.
Well, we have a mass situation going on. I think Vanna pooped somewhere. We'll be back.